Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be rating scenarios, but every country has its own emergency alert system. So today we're gonna be rating them. Bro, doesn't this sound like a TV? 3 out of 10, bro. I give that an absolute 3. Hold up. They literally took a sound of an ambulance and they're like, yep, that's our alarm. To be honest, bro, that is not scary at all. I'm probably gonna put it a mid 1, bro.
Emergencia nacional, esto no es un simulacro, esto no es un simulacro.
Dude, that's actually legit. Out of 10. Two out of 10. Six out of 10. It sounds like a shrimp race being activated. 2 out of 10. Dude, that literally sounds like someone, bro. That sounds like if someone were to wake me up with a legit air horn. Yeah, that would make me mad. Bro, this one's a 1 out of 10. That sounds like one of my fire alarms, bro. Bro, I swear, bro. Belgium, but 5 out of 10. Yo, if there was actually an alarm, there's actually like an emergency alert, I want you to like hype me up. Make me feel that there is actually an emergency. That's crazy. I'm not. I mean, I understand the fact that you're trying to keep people calm, But you seriously need to let him know. How is this even an alarm? Wait, how
You've
is
got
that
mail.
even how is that an alarm? No, I'm not even gonna rate that with a blessing, bro. That is not even. That's a 0. Bermuda, like the Bermuda Triangle. Yeah, that was 5 out of 10. Let's read this one. Honestly, that sounds good. And I know it was supposed to be scary, but that was good. So 10 out of 10. Because of the sound, it just sounds good. You hear this? That's a 5 out of 10. Bro, that sounds like a guitar, bro, or electric. Ah, 2 out of 10. That's scary. Dude, I did not sign up for loud noises. But I technically did. Oh, this is a bad video to make. Two out of 10 for that. And that was bad. 2 out of 10. 0 out of 10. I barely can't even hear it. 2 out of 10. Can't even hear it. Whoa! Yeah, that actually was scary. 5 out of 10. Yeah, 2 out of 10. The only thing I like about it is the car. Bro, I'm sweating, bro. What is that sound? I'm literally sweating right now. What is that sound? Oh my god, bro. How are you gonna name that alarm? Bro, me personally, I think it's annoying, but if you hear this alarm, they're about to drop some nukes on you. 10 out of 10. South Republic. 6 out of 10. 7 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 out of 10. Christmas Islands. 2 out of 10. Cocoa Island? They copy pasted the other one. 0 out of 10. 2 out of 10. Yeah, 5 out of 10. Not that good. last one was 2, and this one is. That's 6. 5 out of 10. 8. I think it's an 8. Bro, this is not good. 1 out of 10. 1. Bro, I swear, bro. Did Cuba? I hope Cuba didn't copy pasted Mexico. I swear, dude. Cuba literally copy pasted Mexico, and just for that, 0 out of 10. Dude, that is straight up. Oh my god, bro. That's a 7 out of 10, bro. That's loud. That literally sounds like my microwave, but in really loud version. Okay. 2 out of 10. Probably can check. Bro, that sounds like someone's trying to make an alarm, but it fails miserably. 2. No one told me that there's laser party. Yeah, that's straight up, Hold on, let me go back to that one. Two out of 10. Dominica. That sounds like a mosquito. Nah, 2 out of 10. Ow, it's loud. 7 out of 10. It's loud! It's loud! Yeah, you don't know. You don't know. That's a straight up 100 out of 10, bro.
Interrumpimos la programación habitual debido a una emergencia nacional. Manténgase atento, ya que se darán instrucciones importantes.
2 out of 10. 1 out of 10. I don't even know how to rate that. Like, that sound, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Just because it's funny, bro, I'll rate it a 7. 2 out of 10, bro. That you make me worse. I'm sweating, bro. What is that sound? But anyways, yeah, this is way too long, and I don't want to waste your time. So yeah, part 2 coming out. But only 10 likes for part 2. I don't know if we're gonna finish on part 2, but yeah, part 2 coming. Only we hit 5 likes or 10 likes. 10 likes or 5. At least 5 likes for part 2. And without that, peace, everyone. And 3, 2, 1. Peace.